Medical Terminology and Lingo Practice, Suffix Round 2. This is a continuation of our lesson on suffixes for our Medical Terminology and Lingo series. Please watch the suffix lesson before you begin. The link can be found below. Here's the rules. We will give you terms that will contain suffixes from our suffix lesson. We will break down each term with the prefixes, root words, and suffixes that you know. You will define the term. There will be 10 questions and you'll have 10 seconds on the clock for each question. You can pause for more time. Please note, some terms may have prefixes, root words, and suffixes that you haven't reviewed yet. Go back to the previous lessons before you begin. And yes, there is one thing we would like from you. You don't want to miss our videos, so hit the subscribe button now. Be the first to see all the new lessons on your feed. Let's begin with question 1, Adenocarcinoma. Adeno means gland or glandular. Carcino means cancer, cancerous, or malignant. Oma is the suffix for tumor. Adenocarcinoma is a malignant tumor of a gland. Question 2, Hypercapnea. Hyper means high, above normal, elevated. And capnea is a suffix for carbon dioxide. So hypercapnea is abnormally high levels of carbon dioxide in the blood. Question 3, Metaplasia. Meta means change or transformation. Metamorphosis, right? Plasia means the process of growth or growing. So metaplasia means change or transformation in the process of growth, such as cellular growth. Question 4, Pyrogen. Pyro is for fever or relating to fever, and suffix genic means caused or produced by. So pyrogen is a chemical that produces or generates a fever. Question 5, Orchiectomy. Orchi means testicles or testes, and ectomy means removal or surgical excision. Orchiectomy is a surgical excision of the testicle. Question 6, Microangiopathy. Micro is for small, angio means blood vessels, and pathy is a suffix for disease. So this is a disease of the small blood vessels. Question 7, Cephalgia. Ceph is a root word, cephalo. Remember, it's for head. And algia means pain. Cephalgia is head pain, or a fancy term for headache. Question 8, Cystocentesis. Remember, we talked a lot about cyst to mean bladder, and the suffix centesis is the removal of fluid, aspiration. So cystocentesis means the removal of fluid or aspiration of bladder contents. Question 9, Tympanoplasty. Tympano, it's kind of in the name. It means eardrum or tympanic membrane. And plasty is the suffix for surgical repair, plastic surgery. Tympanoplasty is a surgical repair of the tympanic membrane. Okay, last question. Question 10, Phrenoplegia. Phreno means diaphragm. Actually, the phrenic nerve innervates the diaphragm. And plegia means paralysis. So Phrenoplegia is a paralysis of the diaphragm. So I see you falling in love with the confidence to start using medical terms. Let's send you off with a bonus question. Episcleritis. Take your time and break down the prefix that you recognize, the root word, and especially the suffix that you see. Define each one and come up with what the medical term is. Let us know how you're thinking and comment your answer below. Guys, please feel free to repeat the lessons on prefixes, root words, and suffixes. Also, don't forget to do the practice rounds again. All the links can be found in the caption below. When you complete this series, you will feel pretty confident when reading medical literature. More soon. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.